If you struggle with anxiety, severe or not, you probably know there are lots of different ways to cope. From meditation or yoga to therapy, the options can seem truly endless, and sometimes you'll have to try them all to determine what works best for you. Many people may not consider, though, that your diet could be the place to start when it comes to decreasing your anxiety. That's right, there are actually nutrients that play a role in your mental health, and it's crucial to ensure that you're getting enough of them in your diet to feel your best. We spoke with expert Lisa Moskovitz, RD, and CEO of the NY Nutrition Group, to determine the best natural supplement to take for anxiety. Supplementing your diet can help to ensure you're getting enough nutrients to make a real difference in your health. Magnesium levels in your body can have a direct impact on how anxious you feel. Because we can't manufacture magnesium on our own, it's essential that our bodies get enough of it through our diet. Though it's often easier said than done to get all of the nutrients we need through food. Turning to supplements can be a great alternative. Not getting enough magnesium can affect your feelings of calmness. Magnesium can fight anxiety, and plays a role in our nervous system so that you feel more relaxed, says Moskovitz. This vital mineral also regulates the amino acid GABA, which is a neurotransmitter that can slow down communication between your brain and central nervous system. It's these properties that make magnesium so essential in keeping you calmer and less anxious. The best magnesium supplement to take for anxiety. Before you head to the pharmacy. We also found out the brand of magnesium supplements that Moskovitz recommends. Oh Great by Groove is a supplement that has 150 milligrams of magnesium as well as 500 milligrams of resveratrol. Resveratrol is a powerful polyphenol that fights against oxidative stress that can occur during the aging process and from poor sleep, says Moskovitz. Giving magnesium supplements like this a try could be all you need to start feeling less anxious and ultimately improve your mental health.